And the technical, may technical definition din ang savings. Pero kaya nga, the line is for election preparation, 2024 lang ngayon, ang election is 2025, imposible ka magka-savings. Hindi pa tapos yung election eh. Kaya malabo yung ganong reasoning.
Sir, to clarify po, yung Supreme Court petition na ipapile mo po possibly with other senators is against the COMELEC's move na tanggapin yung mga signatures.
That's one of my, kasi siyempre, magdi-discuss din kami with other practitioners, nakikinig din naman tayo sa mga taong mas magagaling, marunong. Pero yan ang alam ko sa naalala namin ni Atty. Mandig sa law school, prohibition. Petition for certiorari and prohibition, most likely prohibition, pagbabawal. Kasi ministerial duty daw eh. Saan galing yun? Yun lang yung tanong, ganun lang kasimple.